One of them is Professor Nicholas Ikonyo, who is the founding director of this center. The other one is Dr. Siambi Kikete, who is the chairman of Department of Pharmacognosy. He is here. Okay. The other one is Mrs. Diana Chebet, who is the section head of the upscaling section of our lab. So I'll be very brief. I'll just give an overview of our center. I'm not going to specifics of the research that we have done. My overview is, I just want to tell you what is NPRC, what we do, what we have done, and the future directions. A bit of history. This center was established and the grant from the Kenya National Research Fund. It was an institutional infrastructure grant, and Professor Ikonyo was one of the people who wrote the grant proposal. He was the leader, actually. It was officially commissioned in June 2022 as a center of excellence at Kenyatta University and a pioneering hub for advancing research in herbal medicinal products and fostering innovation in health solutions. What are the objectives of this center? The objectives of this center is, number one, is identification of plants with therapeutic claim or potential. We have phytochemical screening of both active and inactive ingredients, evaluation of efficacy and safety of phytotherapeuticals, microbiological analysis and quantification of micro and macronutrients in herbal plants, creating of fingerprints for herbal extracts and products, that is phytotherapeuticals, establishing quality assessment parameters for phytotherapeuticals, and then we also have a section for upscaling production of the phytotherapeuticals and also marketing and commercialization. And some of our products we explain some of the products outside here. NPRC activities, what do we do? Our center is divided into three main sections. We have the microbiology laboratory, we have the chemistry lab, and we have now the production or the manufacturing section of the center. And an overview of microbiology lab. These are some of the equipment that we have, and I'm saying this so that the people who think we can collaborate. So these are some of the things that we do in the microbiology section. We have the sterilizers, we have the autoclave, we have microscopes, we have colony counter, that's the automatic colony counter, and for safety cabinets and the others. So the main tests that we do here is the microbial contamination test, or the microbial load. That is the total aerobic microbial count, and the total yeast and modes count. We also do check for presence or that is absence of pathogens. We also do sterile testing, but this is mainly for the conventional medicine. We also do culture sensitivity or the efficacy for those products with a claim of having antibacterial or antifungal activity. That is where we are. So that is microbiology lab. We have a plan to expand it to have the whole spectrum of biological testing, including animals and other preclinical studies that we can do on herbal products. An overview of the chemistry labs. These are some of the equipment that we have. So just in case you're looking for some of these equipment, we have them and we are using them. We have the gas chromatography mass spectrometer, GCMS. You know, they also high performance liquid chromatograph and is coupled with Italian mass spec. We have the Fourier transform infrared. We have the UV-Vis spectrophotometer. We have the XRF or the X-ray fluorescence. This is mainly for minerals. We have the HPTLC. We mainly use it for fingerprinting as a simple test. We also have some simple equipment like the evaporator and the freeze dryer for after extracting. So these are some of the tests that we do, and we have analyzed quite a number of products, and we just give a few, like the GCMS profiling of volatiles. We have the LCMS screening of phytochemical components and pesticide residues, and the other things like antioxidants analysis, and many more. Then we have the upscaling section. Here we do distillation of essential oils. We also do expelling of fixed oils. We also do grinding, tea bag saccheting. We also do the band sealing and the powder mixture. And all these are available at a small fee for those who would like to request for these processes. So then what have we done in the past? Since the launch of the center, we have tested quite a number of products, and now currently, as by yesterday, they stand at 1,584, with majority being those from FTIR, and followed by GCMS and LCMS. And we also do some processing there. We have seen people submitting samples for grading, and be able to assist the population. So then we also support research from students and also researchers. We have 17 PhD students who have done their projects at the center and they have completed. We have masters, 75, and other graduates. And these are just research projects. Then we also support in the university. There are those labs that are not well equipped, but we also offer students equipment, and we have supported 441. We also offer attachments and internships to those who have cleared or who have graduated, and so far we have offered 263 students. We also keep an update of the visitors who come to give us or to make inquiries. So we are almost at 2,700 for the visitors. For challenges and future directions, is one that I missed. Impact and national goals. We are supporting the government on UHC via quality herbal products, science and innovation. We also uphold the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, where we are supporting our herbalists to analyze their products or test their products at very, very highly subsidized fees if you compare to the gazetted fees from the regulator. For future focus, our challenges, common challenges like upscaling to commercial levels. We also have issues of conservation in medicinal plant diversity. And future focus, we want to be operating under internationally recognized standards. So we have a roadmap for accreditations for ISO 17025, GMP certification and WTO qualifications, and also collaborate with other institutions for preclinical and clinical studies of herbal medicine products. Thank you so much, and you're free to come visit our center, and those are my contacts just in case you need to contact me. Thank you so much.
Let's give another round of applause to Dr. Ball because they get on time also. All right, so let's move on now. We continue with Kenya. We stay with Kenya for traditional medicine research, but we will hear now from Dr. Jeremiah Kathirwa, who is coming to us from the Center for Traditional Medicine.